Why does your scanner show the P2768 engine code? What does it mean? P2768 is a diagnostic trouble code for input or turbine shaft speed sensor B circuit intermittent. The P2768 engine code for indicate your car's powertrain or transmission control module PCM or TCM is detecting a dropout, erratic fluctuation, or irrational voltage reading from the secondary input speed sensor in your transmission. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty input speed sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, dirty or low transmission fluid, corroded or loose connectors, internal conductor plate or valve body failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Subaru, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.